Hey everyone, I'll show you how to sync your phone contacts with WhatsApp on your Android device. If some of your contacts aren't appearing on WhatsApp, don't worry. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. Once you're inside Settings, scroll down a bit and tap on Apps and Notifications. The name may vary depending on your phone. Next, tap on App Info or See All Apps to view the complete list of applications installed on your device. Now scroll through the list until you find WhatsApp and tap on it to open the app settings. Inside the WhatsApp settings page, look for Permissions and tap on it. This section controls what WhatsApp is allowed to access on your phone. Here you'll see several permission options. Find Contacts and tap on it. Then simply select Allow so WhatsApp can access your phone's contacts. Once this permission is enabled, WhatsApp will automatically sync your phone contacts, and the contacts using WhatsApp should start appearing in your list. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.